Hello and welcome to my coding course to build a full-fledged e-commerce website exactly like Amazon by the best tech stack in the world: Next.js, Postgres database, and ShadCN UI. We will develop an attractive homepage that follows the best design practices we have: a hero section, new collections, ongoing deals, all complemented by shop features. We'll create a search page that allows users to explore products, apply category, price, and rating filter like Amazon. Also, we develop a concise product details page with variant selections, rate and review products, and product recommendations. We implement a shopping cart system which works with or without authentication. Users can adjust quantity, get instant update to the pricing, or remove products from the cart. We create user authentication with a secure login using Google, magic links, and email and password. Then we develop a simple checkout process which is optimized for the best user experience, get shipping address using Google Map, and process payment by PayPal or Stripe. And you'll also develop a user-friendly account page which allows users to update personal information, see past purchases, and of course a logout option. That's just the start. The real fun is admin panel, from where you can control absolutely anything on your shop website, starting from e-commerce overview, oversee orders, and manage customers. My name is Basir and I'll be your instructor in this course. I'm a senior web developer in international companies like ROI Vision in Montreal and a coding instructor with 50,000 students around the world. You need to open the code editor along with me and start coding throughout this course. I teach you creating e-commerce website pages by Next.js server components, designing header, footer, sidebar, menu, and search box by ShadCN and Tailwind CSS. Quick view product in modals using Next.js parallel routes and intercepting routes. Create database model by DrizzleORM and PostgreSQL database. Handling form inputs by React Hook Forms and Zod. Updating data by server actions without using any API. Managing shopping cart using HTTP cookies on server side. Handling authentication and authorization by NextAuth. Creating customer dashboard to update profile and track orders, and implement a fully functional admin dashboard with beautiful charts and handling products, orders, and users. Also, you will learn how to use online services like PayPal and Stripe for online payment, Vercel for website deployment and PostgreSQL database, Google Map to locate user address on map, Resend service to email order receipts, and Upload thing to upload product images. I designed this course for web developers and entrepreneurs. If you are or want to be a web developer, take this course to become a professional web developer, have a great project in your portfolio, and get a job in 22 million job opportunities around the world. If you are an entrepreneur, take this course to launch your startup and sell your products and services using this fully functional e-commerce website and earn money from your idea. The only requirement for this course is having basic knowledge of React and Next.js. Feel free to take a look at the course preview and enroll if it's along with your ambitions.